Every time you purchase a program or a resource and then make it the curriculum, you weaken the intuitive, innovative, and creative muscles of teachers. This message is for that school in your district. What leaders and districts don't realize they're doing is this. When we trade teacher talent, teacher gifts, teacher intuition, creativity, problem solving, innovation for a packaged program that we then call the curriculum, it dampens their ability to problem solve. We tell them it's not a magic bullet. Truth is, we're treating it like it's a magic bullet. We're calling it the curriculum. And so when you got a magic bullet, the answers are there. And if the answers aren't there, why would you expect me to have the answers? You don't want my answers. We got this curriculum in this shiny new package with all its extra resources and its pacing, and it's telling our teachers what our fourth graders need as if they know our fourth graders better than we do. So we engage in this curriculum, then teachers hit a wall, but then we've shut off a lot of their problem-solving talent. It's the difference between renting a car and owning a car. Teachers are exponentially more invested, more committed, more creative, more innovative in resources they've had a hand in creating. And so I urge you, as you plan for next year, you can't ask your teachers to leverage their gifts if you continue to gift them with new curriculum. Let's move from resources being the curriculum to this paradigm. Teachers design the learning, and then everything and everyone around them is a potential resource.